Well, hello friends, Mr. Mark here. Brodco, Boogie and myself are out on a tour this morning, and we've come across this very unique pickup truck, and we thought we'd share it with you. So I'm going to turn this over to Brodco now, and he is going to, in his so elegantly fashion, display this pickup truck to you. So thanks again. Till we meet again, Mr. Mark.
Well, hello, good friends. Hello, Brodco, say hello, good friends. Look what we finding. I meet Mr. Mark, and we finding this really interesting old pickup truck. Beautiful! Look at the front of this pickup. These people, they was very good at designing grills in those days. And the fenders, I think fenders are very interesting as well. And look what the fancy wheels. Oh, wow. You not see this every day. Brodco, Mr. Mark, we looking, quite frequently at the interesting vehicles, but wow, we not see wheels like this every day. See, look what we see. Look at glove box. Deep. You can go very deep with this. And look down here. See? Wires, petals, and it's got one of those fancy petals on the floor. Look. Yeah. In the gear shifter, you not see, look at that. That custom. Oh yeah. It's a world finest ceiling fan. That's what they displaying on this fancy pickup. Well, good friends, it's a big, good, fun video making with Mr. Mark to show you this truck. So, like Brodco always say, adios and goodbye.
And friends, if you haven't already done so, please sign. We'd like to have your email address so that we can send you more of these interesting finds that Brodco and myself come across. So there's a form below. Just put your name and email address in there, and we'll put you in for free cups and shirts and all sorts of giveaways. So until we meet again.